Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to your future family haven in West Armour Heights, Kingston 8, a charming fixer-upper home in a tranquil neighborhood. This captivated residence boasts 3 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, and a separate 1 bedroom flat with private entrance, all set on a sprawling 1.3 acres of fruit-laden land. Enjoy breathtaking 180-degree vistas of the city and the sea from the expansive second floor terrace. With its striking driveway entrance and lush rolling lawn, this home exudes undeniable curb appeal. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 100 million or US $649,700 to purchase or make an offer. Please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.